As agreed, let's start with the text tab. First, I already copied some text to the clipboard. I will just paste it. Now, to see the text clearly and see exactly what we are doing, let's add a generator, a solid color. Just drop it under this clip. And let's change a bit the color to make it somehow fancy and you're happy watching the course, okay? So I will take this color down. Cool. That will make it nice. Unfortunately, when you look at the text, you notice it is not a rich text. So the formatting will go for every line within the style text. The first thing, you have the font. I'm going to change the font to Arial. So when I back up the project, you all have it. I'm going to make it just a normal, regular. Here you are. Then, of course, you can change the size. You make it big or small the way you would like. Now, notice this small dot that appeared here. This dot means if you click on it, you will reset it. It goes back to the initial value. So click on it. Here you are. It's back to 0.08. You also have the tracking. You know already that, and the small dot. Now notice what's happening here. You have a vertical anchor, and you have three choices. And you have vertical anchor, and you have a bar. The purpose of this is to make refined adjustments, very specific adjustments. For example, if I put the vertical anchor to top, so the anchor point is on top of the text here, and it's not exactly the position I want, I can come to vertical anchor slide bar and just as does it the way I like, just over here, for example. If I want to reset it, I'll just press on the small dot. Now here you have the directions. I will start with the line directions. If you turn it down, you'll notice you have two more options. Top down, that is exactly what we're doing. The text that I put here is coming from top to down. And you have down to up. So notice my text now has been reversed in terms of lines. The lines are going up instead of down. This is very useful. If you're doing a scroll and you want the viewer to read the last line, then go up, then this is the settings to use. I will return it to automatic. Now let's look at direction. To show it to you clearly, I'm going to cut the text. Okay, I'll do Ctrl X here. And if you come to direction, turn down, you have the option left to right. This is what we are doing now. We're writing from left to right. You have right to left. So actually you inverse the direction of the text. And also you have top to down. Here you are. Very nice. And then you have bottom to up. Now I will take it back to automatic and restore the text. Ctrl V. My favorite here is the right on. It will write on the text on the screen. So you have here right on the start, okay, and you have the end. So if you take the end and scroll towards the left, you will notice that the text is disappearing. Actually, it's going character per character. So this is a nice animation to do. Let's say you are on the first frame. You can keyframe the right on. Come, for example, after 3 seconds. That's 1, 2, 3. I'm using shift right arrow. And then click and take it back to 1. Here you are. You have another keyframe created. Now, if you play your text, it's writing, character per character. When you're using Fusion Clips, guys, you need the blue line to appear. I hope in your playback you came to render cache and put it to smart. Good. So now it's all blue. Let's loop it. See exactly what's happening. So at the default state, without doing any changes to the other tab, this is the main purpose of the text tab. And in the next lecture, we'll proceed to the other tab.